watch your hand with the one again. And they want to Mama Jesus. Afamobo, Madam Theresa, all the way from Abagana. Welcome to another episode of Dialect Exchange. Before I introduce my guest, I have a song to sing for her. Asoka so wampi, ya because subuna ya. My beautiful guest, also she says, Abagana, Calista Nedolisa. Oh yes, and that's all I.
Please introduce me very well, properly.
Sorry. And what do you want me to say?
Abalaki be one. Oh me Abala. Abala pata Abala does the Vinasia, Calista.
Abala.
Abala. The lady of grace.
Lady of grace.
Substance.
Lady of substance.
Oh yes.
What substance? Cocaine?
No, you will not understand. You've not attained any height or title.
Oh, if you're digging cocaine. There's politics. Nebu had drugs, Nebu got into the country. I don't want to expose him because on has the election. Or have I? My guest Ganasu, Nteje. Oh yes. Ganasu.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. And this is just to emphasize that Anambra, inside Anambra itself, and with different dialects.
Of course.
Oh yes, because Nteje in Anambra and Abagana Abagana in Anambra. And this is to show, the variations, even in our own state.
Of course.
So the first statement. Oh, that says please come or come here. Can say please come or come here?
Jakele. Jankoma. Jakele, please come.
Please come. Jankoma, come here.
Especially when you want to do correction or to scold
to scold a child. I want to say, Bikobia, just please come. Or be see a biakene, more biakudu. What I go?
Okay.
Then come here, see a bieba. Eba being here.
Couldn't be very harsh.
Not very harsh. Jakele, we're looking. Jakele. I'm going to Jakele.
It's subtle, some sort.
It's subtle. I can't kiss your name.
Dialects is allowed.
The next thing
taking is allowed. I'm a member of my hacking brain in a school.
Okay.
I never said anything, never mind.
The next word or statement. Oh! This particular one, I want you to personalize it. Personalize it.
I think it has so much to do with you.
My sister. If Wakedi. Rap chapa. I'm not ready anymore. Oh, you need Ibu. I'm not ready anymore. So please translate that in Nteje.
Idalaro.
Translate it.
Idalaro.
Doesn't that say you are sick instead of I am sick?
He was sick. Idalaro.
Say I am sick. Oh, because just say it. Say it. It doesn't mean you're saying it to yourself.
I refuse. I am a cheesy. I cannot be sick.
Oh yes. So what do I? Also, anyone say queer? But meaning I am sick. People say in ayaro to them was
in ayaro idalaro.
Oh, to them was
why idalaro? Now rather you need to go into Toliego could because if I feel like only DJ in the Kenya check up.
Speaking of India, that doctor Nanyage more like suction and Botox. If any name just to look like you are young, sweet 16, and I dig it when my sister grew up. Chineke nasi grew up. You must say one wakede. Scars have been in the grotto guy on my. The next statement, the next word. Oh, grandma or grandpa. Before we translate, let me congratulate you, my sister. Congratulations.
On what?
On job easy. On being a grandma, I heard your daughter just gave birth outside her marital home.
Even in Anoka, Madam Theresa. There is in Anoka. About me, Jimas, la blow biggie. On your bolonga.
Your daughter. It doesn't matter no baby. By the 21st century.
Hey, Mamma, Priscilla. Hey, Priscilla Pampe. You can quite well go on. I come up. Mandochi, or just pregnancy who could demand. That's the one wire. But when I pick a bog, stand as I pick a bog, Calista Nedolisa bog.
Calista, you can speak now. Translate the word.
Grandma, Elche. Grandpa, Enna.
Elche.
Oche.
Yes. Elche. That's how you say grandma. It's about it's about grandpa. It's not Enna. Oto anyone say people grandma nna anyi okwu ma obu nna anyi ochie.
Okay.
It's about grandpa. It's say nna anyi ochie ma obu nna anyi okwu. Ikwa go say dad. Nna anyi ochie.
Kind unique. I go to below. I can below Nteje vlog Junli.
Nteje vlog Junli. Una na elikwan. Na folie.
They be very careful back one slap.
Give me one slap. Okay. I just remembered. It's barbaric now. barbaric. But because I'm on national TV, my camera will change and gain 11 forever. The girls are the election. They go now forever. The next word, our statement. Oh my goodness. Hey. Oh, that says, I want to go there quickly.
Kanjeba via vla. Any of the two.
Oh, what I say na Abagana is atomi jeba hosiso. Atomi jeba no kita. Eba being there. Manona is not going to be above. Above. Me go there, jeba.
I foreign. Foreign like that.
It's not any foreign land. Oh, you've been to Anambra. Your Botox and liposuction. India.
No question. Listen, they making oh poverty. You're just poor. Can't afford it. Ingwe more. Let's go on.
The next statement. To cook or to eat.
Okay.
Can wait. You wait. That's to cook. And you wait. Or wait opposite. So to eat, I believe again.
Can lienli. Either one.
Lienli.
Either of it. Because this we make you gather and say. Ready for the
when the man water can not what's happening in your room.
Yeah. I wouldn't wrinkle. Then you get will go check. Because I
wouldn't know the wrinkles. I remember my daughter's out of wedlock pregnancy.
I would not have insult my family or drag my family's name to the mud in public. Can I work and to team? I have mega arrest.
Who now says your family's name is not already in the mud? But tell you what's in Abagana is can see me mobile. Yes, can see me. Then
if you're for I will lock this woman up. Ilierika.
Can interrupt me. To eat is can lienni. To cook can see me. Oh yes, and I'm capable can wait. I'm gonna wait and eat. Because I will say can leave and lienli. Oh well, no man. Yes, oh sisi no really. That's us. Oh mama. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Dialect Exchange. Madam Theresa so all the way from Abagana. And of course my wonderful guest, the one and only Abalakano one, Calista Nedolisa.
Garden.
Oh no, my sister.